What's going on, everybody? We're going to do a simple video of how to meditate. This will probably be in a playlist or a series on YouTube. This is very simple. And chances are you're already awakening or heard of the word meditate. If you're seeing this, it's not a coincidence. And you're different from the rest of the herd. So, everybody has thoughts. People, when they have thoughts, they become their thoughts. It's kind of like a daydream. You get lost in the fantasy. Now, before that, you're just having thoughts, but people are becoming their thoughts. Hence, they're getting lost in them. So, what you need to do for dummies or beginners of meditation, because you don't have to sit. You can do it when you're running, swimming, is you want to be witnessing. Okay, I'm having this thought right now. Other people are becoming their thoughts, like a daydream. They're getting lost in the fantasy. It seems very simple and the same, but once you become witnessing, people aren't doing that. 75% of people, they get lost and become it. So when you witness, that's the first step. That's good enough. Now, something else I want you to do is, yes, you see when you have a thought about something, a dragon in a castle. Later on during the day, maybe you're playing a video game. you're doing some work, you're not thinking about the dragon in the castle no more. What are you thinking about? How has the thought changed? I don't care what the thought is. I just want you to see that the thought you're witnessing, you witness that it changed. Not only did it change, I want your eyes to see kind of funny that you are changing your thoughts. You're not becoming your thoughts. So they are changing. We are witnessing the thoughts how, okay, this was my thought before, the Dungeon and Dragons. Now we're thinking about some girl. We're establishing what we're really observing is that your thoughts are changing. And we want to see the pattern. Just the fact that they're changing. So you see you're morphing into these, and that you're not these. because these things are changing. God bless everyone. Make sure you subscribe.